Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Banjo Kazooie on piano. First, begin by selecting a familiar tune, like the iconic Spiral Mountain theme, as your starting point. Many arrangements are available online, ranging from beginner-friendly single-note versions to more intricate, multi-part pieces. Focus on understanding the melody first, perhaps playing it with just your right hand, before introducing harmony or left-hand accompaniment. This foundational approach will build your confidence and skill. To truly capture the game's essence, concentrate on its most memorable melodies. The Spiral Mountain theme often uses a C major key, while Mumbo's Mountain might lean into a G major feel. Identify the primary chords, typically major and minor triads, that support these tunes. For instance, a simple C-GMF progression can underpin many melodies. Practice coordinating both hands, playing the melody with your right and the harmonic progression with your left, aiming for a smooth, synchronized sound. Effective practice is key to mastering these tunes. When encountering challenging passages, divide them into smaller, 2 to 4 measure segments. Practice each segment slowly and accurately before connecting them. Incorporate a metronome to develop a consistent rhythm, gradually increasing the tempo as you gain proficiency. Recording your practice sessions can provide valuable insight, allowing you to objectively assess your playing and pinpoint specific areas for refinement. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice daily. For those seeking a deeper challenge, explore more complex arrangements that incorporate intricate harmonies and counter melodies. Experiment with transcribing simpler themes by ear. This process significantly enhances your oral skills and musical intuition. Many online forums and communities dedicated to video game music offer a wealth of resources, including fan-made sheet music tutorials and opportunities to connect with other enthusiasts. Don't hesitate to experiment with your own interpretations to add a personal touch to these beloved melodies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.